children, this is Onindita ma'am here and you are watching class 4 mathematics video. Now my today's video is connected with the lesson plan of 29th of September and my today's topic is conversion of the metric units of length. Now as I have told you in my previous video children, the standard unit for measurement of length is meter. Kilometer, hectometer and decameter, they are the greater units for measuring length. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, they are used for measuring smaller lengths. That means they are the smaller units for measurement of length. The gap between each unit is 10. Hectometer to decameter, 10. Then decameter to meter, 10. Meter to decimeter, 10. Decimeter to centimeter, 10. Centimeter to millimeter, again 10. Right children? Now, for conversion of the units of length, you have to keep one thing in mind. When you are going right hand side of this scale, that means this side, you have to multiply. And when you are going left hand side of this scale, you have to divide. Now, let us understand this concept with the help of some sums. My first sum is convert 53 meter and 12 centimeter to centimeter. Right? So, see children carefully. 53 meter, 12 centimeter. 12 is already in centimeter. Right? This is the place where they have to reach. Now, 12 is already sitting here. So, we don't need to worry with this number. We shall only deal with this number. 53 is sitting over here. Right? And it has to travel to this position. So, 1, 2. Count the gaps. 2. That means 10 into 10. 100. Which side are you traveling? You are going right hand side. So you have to multiply. So 53 into 100. 10 into 10. Centimeter plus 12 centimeter. You have to give the reason why you are multiplying this number by 100. So, since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, this gives you 5300 centimeter plus 12 centimeter, 5312 centimeter. This is your final answer. Now, let's move on to our next sum. 6 kilometer, 652 meter to meter. So, we have to convert this into meter. 652 is already in meter. Only we have to think about this number. How to convert this into meter. So, 6 sitting here and it has to reach here. So, how many gaps? 1, 2, 3. 10 into 10 into 10. That means 1000. So, 6 into 1000 meter plus 652 meter. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? So, 6000 meter plus 652 meter finally gives you 6652 meter and that is your answer. Right children? Now, let us convert centimeter to millimeter. Right? 12 centimeter, 6 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Right? We have to reach here and 6 is already here only. It has reached its destination, right? Now 12 has to reach this place and 12 is sitting over here. So how many gaps will it have to travel? It will have to travel only one gap and right hand side. So multiplication, it should be multiplied by 10. So 12 into 10 millimeter plus 6 millimeter, since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 120 millimeter plus 6 millimeter gives you 126 millimeter, and this is your final answer. Now children, we are going right hand side. Let us do some sums where we will travel left hand side. That means we will convert from lower units, smaller units to greater units, right? Our first sum is convert 325 centimeter to meter and centimeter. So 325 centimeter is sitting here, 325, and it has to travel here, right? So 1, 2, 2 gaps, that means 10 into 10, 100, but this time you are moving left hand side, and if we move left hand side along this scale, we have to divide. So 325 divided by 100 centimeter, right? Let us see. 325, 100 3s are 325. Now 3 is sitting on the top position, right? So it will get the greater unit. So it will get meter, and that means the quotient that will get the greater unit, and the remainder that will get the smaller unit. So this is centimeter. 3 meter, 25 centimeter, and this is your answer, right? Now our next sum. 1057 meter, 2 kilometer and meter, right? So 1057 is sitting here, meter, and it has to travel here. So 1, 2, 3. 10 into 10 into 10,000, and since we are moving left hand side, divided by, right? So 1057 divided by 1000 meter. Let us see. 1057 divided by 1000, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 ones are 1057. So it is sitting on top. It will get the higher unit, greater unit, and this one the smaller unit. So 1 kilometer 57 meter. That this is your answer. And finally, let us convert millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Convert 987 millimeter to centimeter and millimeter. Right, children? Now, 987, it is sitting here and it has to travel here in this position. So, 110, and we are moving left hand side. So, divided by 10. So, 987 divided by 10 millimeter. Let us see what we get. 9s are 90 87, right? Again 8, 80 and 7. Here we have 7 as remainder. So this will be centimeter and this is going to be millimeter. So 98 centimeter, 7 millimeter. So children, this is how you have to solve these sums. From your book, you are going to practice page number 176, exercise 12a. You are going to do all sums. This is all for now. Meet you in the next video.